Hi everyone, this is Learning with Linda, and today I bring you information regarding the summer P EBT for the year 2021. I have information regarding the payout dates, and I also have information regarding a 3.5 trillion human infrastructure bill along with child tax credit updates. So please stay tuned until the end of this video to ensure that you receive these updates. Now, before we get started, if you are interested in the latest news regarding stimulus, taxes, child tax credit, P EBT, SNAP, and everything in between, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. Now let's get right to it. Now let's talk about the 3.5 trillion budget plan, also called the Human Infrastructure Bill. House Democrats passed the budget resolution on Tuesday, meaning that the party can begin to write details of the plan and hope to pass it via reconciliation, which is basically a process that will allow lawmakers to pass a bill without any Republican votes. And the outline the lawmakers are beginning with would invest trillions of dollars to boost the social safety net for families through programs and services. And lastly, the bill will contain nearly all of President Joe Biden's American Families Plan bill, plus the addition of expanded Medicare coverage for hearing, vision, and dental care. So why is this 3.5 trillion budget plan important for families with kids? So it would basically extend the child tax credit, earned income tax credit, child and dependent care tax credit, and also it would incorporate a paid family and medical leave. Senate Democrats would like to extend universal pre-K to 3 and 4-year-old children and expand child care benefits for working families. They would also like to make community college tuition free, give money to institutions serving minorities, and increase the maximum Pell Grant award to help people attend and pay for higher education. And child nutrition programs would also get a boost. And Democratic leaders have a set September 15th deadline for committees to write their sections of the bill. Just keep in mind, as of right now, there are no stimulus payments included on this bill. Next, let's talk about the updates for the child tax credit. So there's been an update to the online portal that allows families to quickly and easily update their mailing address via the already existing child tax credit update portal. So remember, through this update portal, you're able to update your mailing address, and this is important even if you have or you are already receiving direct deposit or you wish to receive paper checks. And finally, it's important to update your mailing address via the portal's new feature to avoid mailing delays or have checks returned as undeliverable, the IRS adds. And as an added benefit, an address change in this portal also effectively changes your address across all IRS information systems. The IRS states that if you change your mailing address using the Child Tax Credit Update portal, the ITS will then use this address for all future IRS correspondence. Now, this is going to be important for you to do to ensure that you receive the next document that I'm about to talk about. So for those who receive child tax credit, you will be receiving a year-end summary document that will be necessary to fill out your 2021 federal income tax return next year. Without this information, you could potentially have difficulty claiming the other half of your benefit next year during tax time. And this year-end summary officially claims that you received the first half of the payment, and the summary will also be important if you opted out of any payments or did not receive the entire half amount. So make sure your mailing address is updated through the Child Tax Credit Update portal to ensure that you receive your letter 6419, which once again is the year-end summary. Now let's move on to summer P EBT for the year of 2021. So here is a quick recap of how the total amounts are being determined. So basically, the federal government pays for each child to receive a breakfast, a lunch, and a snack through their regular school year. And the daily rate totals are on this chart. So for example, for the contiguous United States, the government pays about $6.82, Alaska $10.99, and Hawaii, Guam, Virgin Islands, and Puerto Rico, it comes out to a daily rate total of $7.97. Now, if we multiply this daily rate total times the median length of the covered summer period, which are only the weekdays, which would be 55, then that's how we receive the standard benefit amount. So for example, for the contiguous United States, the total is $375, Alaska $604, Hawaii, Guam, Virgin Islands, and Puerto Rico $438. So this week we have 2 new states that have been added for summer PEBT, and they are New York and Oregon. New York will be giving out $375 and Oregon $389. And here are their payout dates. So for New York, one-time payment in September, and Oregon will be issuing 2 payments, one in September and one in October. Now here are the current states that have already been approved for summer PEBT. Alabama $375, Alaska $604, Arizona $375, along with Arkansas $375, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, and District of Columbia all at $375, Hawaii $438. Next, we have Illinois $375, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, all at $375, Kentucky $375, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts at $375, and Michigan $375. Next, we have Minnesota $430, Missouri $375, Montana, Nebraska, New Jersey, and North Carolina, all at $375. Ohio, Pennsylvania at $375, Puerto Rico $438, and Rhode Island at $375. And finally, we have South Carolina $375, Tennessee $375, Texas, Utah, Vermont, all at $375, along with Virginia, Washington, West Virginia, and Wisconsin, all at $375. Now here we have the payout dates for the summer PEBT. Let's start with the state of Alabama, one-time payment on September 10th through the 23rd. Alaska, one-time payment on early September. Arizona, one-time payment in August. Arkansas, one-time payment on July 21st. The state of California, one-time payment in December. Colorado, one-time payment in late October. Connecticut, one-time payment on September 18th and the 25th. Delaware, one-time payment on July 8th, July 29th, August 19th, and September 9th. District of Columbia, one-time payment on August 25th, and Hawaii, 2 payments, one in July and one in August. Next, we have the state of Illinois issuing a one-time payment between August 11th through the 20th. The state of Indiana, one-time payment in mid-June. Iowa will be issuing 2 payments on August 11th through the 20th, and the second from September 11th through the 20th as well. Kansas, one-time payment on September 20th. Kentucky, one-time payment in August. Louisiana, one-time payment in August. And the state of Maine, one-time payment in September. Maryland will be issuing 2 payments, half in September and half in October. Massachusetts, 2 payments, one on July 1st and one on August 1st. And Michigan will be issuing a one-time payment on August 14th. Now, regarding the state of Michigan, I have read many of my subscribers' comments claiming that they did not receive their summer PEBT payment on August 14th as scheduled. So I've been doing my own research, and I found that some individuals are starting to call the Michigan PEBT phone number, and they are giving the payment dates of late August or late September or even September 15th. Now, what I highly recommend for you to do if you did not receive your payment would be to contact your state specifically for the state of Michigan, P EBT phone number. And I'm going to go ahead and provide that to you. So make sure you write this down. And the number is 888-678-8914. Once again, the phone number for the Michigan P EBT phone number is 888-678-8914. Minnesota will be issuing 2 payments, one in July and one in September. Missouri, one-time payment on September 10th. Montana, one-time payment in August. Nebraska, one-time payment on September 8th. New Jersey, one-time payment in August. North Carolina, one-time payment in mid-June. Ohio will be issuing 2 payments, one in June and one at the end of July. Pennsylvania will be issuing a one-time payment on September 13th through the 24th. Puerto Rico will be issuing one-time payment in July, and Rhode Island will be issuing 2 payments, one in mid-July and the other mid-August. Next, we have the state of South Carolina issuing 2 payments, one in mid-August and the second on September 30th. Tennessee, one-time payment in July. Texas, one-time payment in mid-September. Utah, 2 payments at the end of August. Vermont, one-time payment in July. Virginia, one-time payment at the end of August. Washington, one-time payment in July. West Virginia, one-time payment on July 12th. And Wisconsin, one-time payment on August 21st. And that is all the updates that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notifications button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you next time.